everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can unhide thread badge on Instagram profile. To do that, open the Instagram account of yours and you need to go to the profile. Tap on profile on the bottom right. As you can see, there is no thread badge visible on this profile of mine. So you want to add this badge on your profile. But before that, you need to know this information. You cannot unhide badge on Instagram. For now, there is no way to unhide the thread badge on Instagram once you have hidden it. Once you have hidden the thread badge, you cannot enable it again. Instagram even warns you that you cannot unhide the badge after removing it from your Instagram profile while you do the process of hiding it. So once you have removed the badge on your profile, you no longer be able to unhide this and make it visible on your profile right now. Maybe this feature will roll out later on sometimes when you will be able to add the badge on your profile once more. Hope this information was useful. Please like and subscribe to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.